Hello students, welcome to today's lecture on expert system. I am Professor Monica Raghuvanshi and today we will understand what expert systems are, how they work and why they are important in artificial intelligence. Let's begin. An expert system is a computer program that tries to think like a human expert in a specific field. Just like a doctor gives a diagnosis or a financial advisor suggests investments, an expert system also gives solutions but using knowledge and rules around or stored inside it. Just example, if a student says, "My laptop is not turning on," an expert system for troubleshooting may reply, "Check. If the charger is connected, then check battery condition, then try a hard reset." It follows the step just like a human technician. What makes expert systems different? Expert systems don't work like normal software. They do not just take data, they use knowledge like a human expert. They are domain specific, reasoning based, explainable. They will tell why they reached a conclusion. For example, if the system says you have a fever, it can also say because your temperature is above 101 degree Fahrenheit. Characteristics of expert system. It have some important characteristics. It has high performance. They can explain how conclusions were made. Their answers are consistent. They quickly apply rules. They work on a stored expert knowledge. They follow rules to reach a conclusion. For example, a banking expert system deciding should we give this person a loan, it checks income, credit score, job history, and then decides that whether we have to give the personal loan to a person or not. Components of expert system. First, knowledge base that works as the brain. Facts, rules, and domain expertise will be present in the knowledge base. Inference engine applies rules to derive conclusions that will use forward chaining as well as backward chaining. User interface that will contains different entry of queries that will display results and explanations. Knowledge acquisition module that will get this knowledge from human experts. Explanation module that shows why and how a decision was made. Last, that is working memory, most important part, which stores temporary facts during reasoning. Expert systems can do many tasks such as advising, decision support, diagnosis, monitoring, prediction, and instruction. These are some of the capabilities of expert systems. For example, a crop disease expert system. Input: leaves have yellow spots. Then the output: possible fungal infection. Spray XYZ solution. Means if the leaves have some spots, then it will suggest us to spray some kind of solution so that the problem will be resolved. Now, expert systems also have some drawbacks. It cannot use common sense, lack human intuition, hard to gather expert knowledge. It works only in a specific domain. And the most important part, maintenance is expensive. Example, medical expert system cannot understand patient's looks tired because it cannot see. Applications of expert system that will be used as a medical diagnosis, fault detection and troubleshooting, finance and investment planning, weather forecasting, agriculture recommendation as we have seen in the previous examples, customer support, robotics and manufacturing, and many more. So students, today we learned that expert systems simulate human experts. They use a knowledge base plus inference engine. They help in diagnosis, prediction, advising. They also have limitations like lack of intuition. They are widely used in medical, finance, troubleshooting, agriculture. I hope It's clear to you all. Thank you.